Kung may pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, kung feeling mo na life is unfair, kung pagod ka na and you're starting to lose hope, let me remind you of something simple pero makapangyarihan. Habang buhay ka, may chance ka, may pag-asa ka. Alam mo sa life, normal ang good days at bad days. May mga araw na tatawa ka ng sobra. May mga gabi na iiyak ka ng tahimik. Life will always have ups and downs. Pero ito ang matinding totoo. As long as you're alive, you have the power to change things. You can still fight, you can still heal, you can choose to stand up again. Kahit ilang beses ka nang nadapa, hindi ka kawawa. You still have a say in how your story ends. Hindi porket mahirap ngayon, habang buhay ka ng ganito. Tell yourself na kaya ko to. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Just take a small step forward. Kahit konti, kahit mabagal. Kasi those small steps, they matter. And eventually, they lead to better days. I'm proud of you. Keep fighting.